Did you know that regular Nissan service can significantly extend your vehicle's lifespan? Routine maintenance not only enhances performance but also prevents costly repairs and sudden breakdowns. Let's explore why this is crucial for your Nissan. Routine service ensures your Nissan runs smoothly, improving fuel efficiency and acceleration. Regular maintenance can prevent major issues, keeping your car on the road longer. A well-maintained Nissan is safer, reducing the risk of accidents and breakdowns. Oil and filter changes are vital for engine health, ensuring smooth operation. Brake system maintenance is crucial for safety, preventing unsafe driving conditions. Tire care, including rotations and alignments, improves handling and fuel efficiency. Engine diagnostics detect potential issues early, saving you from costly repairs. Battery inspections prevent unexpected breakdowns, ensuring your car starts reliably. Regular air filter replacements maintain engine performance and fuel efficiency. Certified technicians offer expert knowledge and use genuine Nissan parts, ensuring optimal performance. Maintaining your warranty requires service from certified centers. Quality assurance is guaranteed with certified Nissan service, providing peace of mind. Watch for warning signs like the check engine light or unusual noises. Address overheating and vibration issues promptly to prevent further damage. Schedule service with certified technicians for accurate diagnostics and timely repairs. In summary, regular Nissan service is key to maintaining performance, safety, and value. By staying proactive, you'll avoid costly repairs and ensure your vehicle's longevity. Remember, a well-maintained Nissan is a reliable Nissan. Ready to give your Nissan the care it deserves? Contact Perris Auto Repair Center at 951-943-2677 to schedule your service appointment today. Experience the difference professional, reliable care can make for your vehicle.